As a content creator on Facebook and you are running a business page as a creator and you don't have a secondary admin, then you might be losing that account very soon. Now, I'm going to be sharing my screen to teach you on how to add another admin to your page. Now, one thing you must know is that Facebook is uncertain, especially when you don't have admin on your page. If your profile is disabled, automatically you're going to be losing your profile account that you're using to create content. That is the reason why do not allow only your profile to be an admin on your page. Also make sure that you have a secondary admin. Now, this secondary admin, it can be your friend, it can be any other person, or you can use another phone to open a Facebook profile and then use it to become another admin on your page. You have to make sure you have at least 2 admin on your Facebook page. This will protect the account, meaning if one admin have issue, you can easily switch or you can easily log in from the second admin. So I have seen a lot of people losing their page just because they don't have what? A secondary admin. So I'm going to be sharing my screen and then show you how you can actually add what? A page admin to your page. So in case it's the first time you're seeing my YouTube channel, please go ahead and do what? And hit the subscribe button and then leave me a question. Okay, so now the first thing you're going to do is you have to come to your Facebook menu like this, and then make sure you are in the account. And if you're not in that account or the page you want to add an admin, you can switch. You can see that place I touched to switch to the page. So now this today episode is the one we are adding admin to. So now when you have switched to the account, go to the menu again. That is the Facebook menu. Either you're using an iPhone or Android phone, you will see your menu like this. So you're going to scroll down. When it brings you like this now, you can see this is the account. Today's episode is the one we want to add new admin to. So you're going to scroll down and you're going to see settings and privacy. So click on the settings and privacy and then go ahead and click on settings. So it's going to bring you like this. Go ahead and click on what? Page setup. Now, when you click on this page setup, it will bring you to a place where you will see page access. Now, go ahead and click on the page access. So when you click on the page access, you can see we have 2 add new here. The first add new is what? People with Facebook access. This add new, the first add new is powerful. This one, it will give full control. Like you want to give the person full control. That is the first one. Why the second, the second one, which is what? People with tax access. That one is partial access. You are not giving the person with what? With full control, which I'm going to be explaining every one of them in this video. So for example, we want to give this person full control. So because I want to give this person full control, what am I going to do? I'm going to be clicking on the first option, which is what? People with Facebook access. People with what? Facebook access. Then I will click on the add new. Remember, people don't go and say with tax access. It has to be what? People with Facebook access, because we are giving this person full control. All right. So go ahead and click on the what? On the add new. Now, when you click on this add new, it's going to bring you to this place. Now it's telling you that what Facebook access means. Just click on next and then come to this place. Search the person's name. Search the person's name you want to give the admin. For example, now I'm giving this admin to my second profile. So I'm going to type Tunde. That is, I'm going to type my name. So you can see me here now, which is Tunde Bashir Karim. Okay. So I will select it. Make sure you confirm it first. Now, they say, with Facebook access, Tunde Bashir Karim can manage the following. Number one, I will now, being an admin, I will be able to create content. Create or manage or delete posts on that page. I'll be able to post on stories and more as on the page. Again, I'll be able to reply message. I'll be able to take calls and the rest. Okay. Then when it now come to the community activities aspects, as a community in the community aspects, I will be able to review and respond to comments. In short, I will be able to delete any comments. Okay, and I'll be able to report any comments or any activities that I don't like on the page, because having a full access, automatically you have you are like the owner of the page too. Okay, now when it comes to ad, I'll be able to create ads, meaning boost my videos, or manage or delete, even delete the page. I'll be able to delete the page. When it comes to insights, I'll be able to see the performance of the page, how the page is doing. Okay. Then when it comes to And now they say allow this person to have full control. You have to make sure that that button is turned on. They say now anyone with full control can give access to others, remove anyone from the page, including even you, or delete the page. So anybody you are giving full access, make sure that you know that person. So go ahead and click on give access. Now, for them to know that you are the one that is giving this access, you have to put your password. Okay, because Facebook want to protect you to be sure that you are the one. So after you have put it, now you can see they said invite expires in 30 days. So now I have just sent admin now to my second account to come and manage this page. So this person, if this is my second account now, he will get this invitation. And what I'm going to do now is I will log into the profile. Okay, so now I will come to the profile. So now this is the profile that I have just invited to become an admin. So after I've confirmed the name, you can see the name is what? Tunde Bashir Karim. So meaning this is the account I just invited to come manage my admin. So what I'm going to do is, for me to accept the invite, you will click on the notification bell at your top right hand side. Then look for the notification or the invite message. Okay, so now let me scroll down to look for the invite message. Now look at it now. 1 minute ago, do you see Tunde Karim invites you to manage Tunde's episode. So for you to accept it, you go ahead and click on it. So it will bring you here. Now you can see review invitation. So now here it is left for me now to do what? To accept it. Now, when he bring you here, you are to now review to know what is your job on the page. For example, your job on the page is that you'll be able to create content, manage content, or delete posts, or post on stories, and even more. Okay, again is that I will be able to respond to direct messages, make calls, and the rest, just like the same way when you were giving me the access. You can see everything. They will still tell you that this is what you have access to. Again, when it comes to the community activities, the same thing. I will be able to review comments, respond to comments, remove unwanted content, or even report any suspicious activities. Meaning, if anybody do anyhow, I can report the person on behalf of the primary admin. Now, after I've made sure that everything is fine, just go ahead and click on what? Next. Now they say what you should know about full control is that you can switch into the page and manage it directly on Facebook by using other tools such as Meta Business Suite. So now I have the opportunity to also use Meta Business Suite to do what? To work on this. So after you discover that everything is just fine by you as somebody who wants to become an admin, you go ahead and accept it. And then now you can see with full control, you can now switch into the page. So now the page is now under this person. Do you see it now? So the page is under Tunde Bashir Karim now. So you can now switch to the page to see how the page is, and you can now begin to manage the page. So now let's go ahead. So you go ahead and click on the switch button. So when you click on the switch button, it's going to bring you to the timeline. That is the timeline. It will bring you to the episode, to the page timeline that you were just giving admin. So this is the page that we just accepted to be an admin upon. So this is it. So now you cannot begin to do anything. You can create, you can choose to post, you can choose to delete post. In short, one thing you must know about this full access is that if anybody give you full access, you can remove the person that give you full access. That is the reason why, like for example, now I'm an account manager. I manage people's accounts. So we always have agreements so that you will not go and give somebody your page and the person will end up removing you from that page. Because if that person because when you give somebody a full access, automatically the person becomes the owner of that page as well. Now, that's why I told you the person you are giving admin is a secondary admin. Why you that created the page, you are the primary admin. So both of you, either secondary or primary, both of you now have full control of that page. So both of you can remove each other. Your secondary can remove you. Primary can remove you. That is the reason why, if you know you don't trust that person, you can just give the person task access, not full access. Which is I showed you while I was teaching you, I showed you two admin, like you can see it here, two add new. You can see two add new. So make sure you give, if you know you don't trust that person, you can give him the second one, the down one, not the first one. The first one is more powerful than the down one. Okay, so this is how you actually add what? a page admin to your page in order to protect it. I will even advise you go and you be the admin to your, meaning create another profile to become the second admin. In that regards, you'll be more safer. Okay. So in case the first time you see my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe. On my YouTube channel here, I create videos on YouTube tips, on Facebook tips, on video editing tips. So meaning both Facebook, both YouTube, both editing, I've got you covered on this channel. So just go ahead, subscribe. And if you want me to do any video for you, just leave me a comment and I will do the video for you. All right. Thank you.